Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on unveiling the wonders of nutrient-rich chia seeds. In this video, we will delve into the incredible benefits of chia seeds and why they are a must-have addition to your diet for overall well-being. Chia seeds have gained popularity recently for their exceptional nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch, offering various nutrients that can support your health in multiple ways. One critical benefit of chia seeds is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can boost your antioxidant intake and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. Additionally, chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health, heart health, and overall well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. If you want to shed extra pounds, chia seeds can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. These seeds are rich in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake. Furthermore, chia seeds can absorb water and expand in your stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness and potentially curbing your appetite. In addition to antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and weight loss properties, chia seeds are packed with essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals are vital for bone health, muscle function, and overall vitality. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet, you can reap their numerous benefits and support your overall well-being. Stay tuned as we explore more about the wonders of nutrient-rich chia seeds in this video. Antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining our health by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress in the body. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to your diet for overall well-being. The antioxidants in chia seeds, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, help combat oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, leading to inflammation, aging, and various diseases. By consuming antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds, you can protect your cells from this damage and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. Chia seeds' antioxidants fight free radicals, promote skin health, and boost the immune system. The skin is our body's largest organ and is constantly exposed to environmental stressors that can accelerate aging and damage skin cells. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds into your diet can help protect your skin from oxidative damage, maintain its elasticity, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. They help reduce inflammation, enhance immune cell function, and protect against infections and diseases. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Regularly consuming chia seeds can boost your antioxidant intake and strengthen your body's defenses against harmful pathogens. To maximize the benefits of antioxidants in chia seeds, consider pairing them with other antioxidant-rich foods. Berries, dark leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of antioxidants that complement chia seeds' nutrient profile. Try adding chia seeds to a smoothie with berries, sprinkling them over a salad with leafy greens, or incorporating them into homemade energy bars with nuts and seeds for a delicious and antioxidant-packed snack. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your health and well-being. Stay tuned as we explore the incredible benefits of chia seeds in this video. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a vital role in supporting various aspects of our health, including brain health, heart health, and inflammation reduction. Chia seeds are a valuable plant-based source of these beneficial fatty acids, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. Regarding brain health, omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for cognitive function, memory, and overall mental well-being. DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid found in chia seeds, is essential for brain development and function. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can support your brain health and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Omega-3 fatty acids are also known for their heart-healthy benefits. These essential fats can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 rich foods like chia seeds can support cardiovascular health and promote a strong and healthy heart. Omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that benefit brain and heart health. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. By including omega-3 rich foods like chia seeds in your diet, You can help reduce inflammation in the body and support overall wellness. Chia seeds are a convenient and versatile plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent option for vegetarians or vegans. These tiny seeds are easy to incorporate into many dishes, from smoothies and oatmeal to salads and baked goods. To boost your omega-3 intake with chia seeds, add them to your morning smoothie. Mix them into yogurt or overnight oats, or use them as a topping for salads or soups. For a delicious and nutritious snack, you can also use chia seeds to make omega-3 rich chia pudding, energy balls, or homemade granola bars. Stay tuned as we explore the significance of chia seeds in this video. Chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds have gained a reputation as a superfood for weight loss and management, thanks to their unique nutritional profile and ability to support healthy weight loss efforts. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them a valuable ally in your journey to shed extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. One critical way chia seeds can aid in weight loss is by promoting satiety and reducing cravings. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like consistency that expands in the stomach, helping you feel full and satisfied. This can prevent overeating and snacking between meals, ultimately supporting your weight loss goals. Chia seeds promote satiety and are fiber-rich, aiding digestion and regulating blood sugar levels. By including chia seeds in your diet, you can help prevent spikes in blood sugar that can lead to cravings and overeating, making it easier to maintain a balanced and healthy eating pattern. Numerous studies and weight loss success stories have highlighted the effectiveness of chia seeds in supporting weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Participants who incorporated chia seeds into their meals reported feeling fuller for longer, experiencing reduced cravings, and achieving their weight loss goals more effectively. To incorporate chia seeds into your weight loss journey, consider adding them creatively and delicately to your meals and snacks. Sprinkle chia seeds over yogurt or oatmeal, mix them into smoothies or salads, or use them as a thickening agent in soups or sauces. You can also use chia seeds to make chia pudding, energy balls, or homemade granola bars for a satisfying and nutritious snack. By including chia seeds in your diet and following a balanced eating plan, you can harness the weight loss benefits of these nutrient-rich seeds and support your overall health and well-being. Stay tuned as we explore the role of chia seeds in weight loss in this video. Chia seeds are rich in essential nutrients and pack a powerful punch when it comes to minerals vital for overall health and well-being. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, offering minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that play critical roles in various bodily functions. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of calcium, making them a valuable addition to a vegan or dairy-free diet. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals can boost calcium intake and support bone health and overall vitality. Magnesium is another essential mineral found in chia seeds. It plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body and is crucial for energy production, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Including magnesium-rich foods like chia seeds can help maintain optimal magnesium levels and support overall health and well-being. Phosphorus is a mineral that works with calcium to support bone health, energy metabolism, and cell function. Chia seeds are a good source of phosphorus, helping to maintain the balance of minerals in the body and supporting various physiological processes. In addition to their impressive mineral content, chia seeds offer a well-rounded nutrition profile with a good balance of macronutrients, fiber, and protein. These seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential vitamins, making them a nutrient-dense addition to your diet. The versatility of chia seeds in culinary applications makes it easy to incorporate them into a wide range of dishes for optimal nutrition. You can sprinkle chia seeds over yogurt or cereal, mix them into smoothies or baked goods, or use them as a thickening agent in soups or sauces. Chia seeds can also make chia pudding, energy bars, or homemade granola for a nutritious and satisfying snack. By including chia seeds in your diet and exploring their culinary potential, you can harness these tiny seeds' mineral content and overall nutrition profile to support your health and well-being. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the wonders of chia seeds in this video. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, weight loss properties, and rich mineral content. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that can support your health, from protecting your cells from damage to promoting heart health, brain function, and weight management. Including chia seeds in a balanced diet can boost your antioxidant intake, support cardiovascular health, enhance brain function, and aid in weight loss efforts. These versatile seeds offer a good balance of macronutrients, fiber, protein, and essential minerals, making them a valuable addition to any meal or snack. It is essential to prioritize your health and well-being by incorporating nutrient-rich foods like chia seeds into your daily diet. Whether you sprinkle them over your morning yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or use them in baking recipes, chia seeds can easily be integrated into a wide range of dishes for optimal nutrition. We encourage you to take action today by trying out chia seed recipes, experimenting with different ways to incorporate chia seeds into your meals, and exploring the culinary versatility of these nutrient-packed seeds. Subscribe to our channel for more nutritional content, tips, and recipes to support your health journey, and remember to share this video with others who can benefit from the wonders of chia seeds. Together, let's embrace the power of chia seeds and nourish our bodies for a healthier and happier life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more nutritional insights with you in the future.